Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders, and myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And this video, we are discussing about our Google Sheet and monthly positional option trading strategies. And those who are watching this video, you will be finding out trade opportunity by our Google Sheet, and it is a scanner which is going to be provide you the breakout opportunity, where that 100% of the entry price which is triggers, that should be the opportunity, and we need to find out the stock must be quality and liquid. And the second condition should be after 9:30, if it is breaks, that should be the great opportunity. So why we are always waiting for a 9:30 to break? So here today is the very great example. If you are looking for an ICICI general insurance today, so that is the reason we are not taking any trade. So this is what a trade, which is around 1350 call option. Where should be our entry point? 1350 call option is around the 61.7. Okay, so let me open that particular strike price on our chart. 1350 ICICI GI 1350 call option. Okay, so look at this 1350 call option. Today it started with 34. In first 15 minutes is reaching towards 73. If you are looking at that particular chart, even in a 5 minutes, I will just open in the first 5 minutes. So here in the first 5 minutes itself, it immediately moving towards 73.85. So where is our entry point? Our entry point is around 61.7. Maybe the chances given you or not, but we don't know in the first 5 minutes. Immediately from it started around 44 level, and it moving towards 74 or 75 level. Okay, so our entry point is around 61.7. If you are looking at our Google Sheet, it will be updating the price every 15 seconds maximum, or minimum in between around 30 seconds. If you are looking at around 9:25, that would be near about 61. Okay, so you may be trying to focus for an entry opportunity because it is showing you the entry. So if you are seeing this first 5 minutes candle, it went up to maximum of 76, 75, and it is closing near about 52. Okay, if you are looking for this as a fresh breakout, or if you are want to take a trade, and final result would be around it closed by 43. So most probably a stock which triggers our entry point before the first 15 minutes, that is what a 9:30 before, and that should be a not a giving you clear opportunities. But after this first 15 minutes, if you are want to focus for a breakout or a retracement opportunity, it moves maximum of 54. It doesn't give you the 61. Maybe if I want to go for after 9:30, the level is broken, I can go for. But in this case, it's never broken, and instead of that, it keep moving down to 38, closed by 43. If you are avoiding a stock which triggers our entry point before the first 15 minutes, we simply ignore it. Okay. So if you are following that, okay, and it will be a opportunity. We can easily avoid it. Okay, so that is what the main reason we are avoiding the stock which triggers the first 15 minutes. So we simply ignore it. But after that first 15 minutes, if any stocks today, some of the stock may not given you opportunity, but anyone who are watching Coal India, we are looking at our live session, but today's live session is not good due to some internet and other problems. We are not continuous. And IDFC First Bank, so both it triggers after 9:30, and that was giving you some initial benefit, and then it closed as a positional trade we are holding. But this video mainly for a monthly option, and monthly option how many trades which given you. In this case, the liquidity issue on HDFC AMC, so we simply ignored that one, and sale which triggers our target Coal India, NMDC, BHEL again, but it was initially not traded, but 15.6 is the price from the beginning, but suddenly it moves to 19, and it is also achieved our target. The entry which triggers on Friday, it is based on the monthly positional which we are looking for a trade on monthly basis. And National Aluminium, that is also triggers our target. And Sri Sims and Dalmia Bharat, it's a liquid one. So maybe the premiums are not traded well, so we are simply ignoring the stocks. And Wipro, one of my student who messaged me today, almost 18,700 something, he made a profit in Tata Steel as a positional trade 120 for call option, and I think a 6.8 he was selling that around 10.2 something. And MCX is the one more trade. I think one of my student, and he was asking about MCX yesterday, and that is a Friday slide, and it's about a trade which triggers, and that is also nearing to 30%. So almost 50% we have some more stocks, but we ignored these two stocks. I think one, two, three, four, five good stocks, good enough, and trade which triggers more than 50%, and 30% is around the 3, 4 stocks. And IEX, which is also triggered now to stall, and Gale 6.9 to 8. So maybe it's a positional trade. We are going to hold it for a monthly basis. And in this case, IDFC Bank, that was a great move. And lot size is around 10,000 or 15,000 IDFC or IDFC First Bank. So that is also giving you such a big moves. And these are all the trade opportunities which we got it, and based on our monthly positional. So whatever the target which you have, almost you achieved your target, and in a um, within a 2 or 3 days. Now only 2 live session which gone in this month of September. So we have a lot of stocks, and Tata Power which triggers 15.3, and IDFC 8.8, and IDFC First Bank is around 6.4. So most of the trades which generated the entry, and it is an our profitable way. So okay, so this is what a scanner. It's working based on our monthly positional option strategy. That is what a class which we are doing. How to do a positional option trading without a charts and indicators. Based on that concept, we are making some opportunities that works well for our positional trades. I hope you understood the concepts, how we are doing that particular trades based on our logic, and maybe some today also in weekly basis. There is a two types of opportunities, weekly and monthly, but we are still working on temporary sheet. Once it is ready, but you can see a lot of opportunities on temporary sheet. Once it is completed, so that is also be going to be available in our Google Sheet. Those who are already purchased and using that sheet, you will be getting benefited from that intraday also. Maybe daily based calls, not about a calls, it's about a scanner. Daily scanner also be available. As of now, we have a weekly and monthly scanners. When soon we will be getting a daily scanner also. That will help us to make some such a good opportunity trades on intraday basis. That is also be available, or in maybe in soon you will be getting on this same Google Sheet itself. Okay, so I hope you understood the concept which you are using, and if you want to learn more about my positional option strategy, you just ping me on the WhatsApp number which shown on this video, and also you can get your Google Sheet. It's about 1,200 per month. So if you're interested, you can get the sheet also. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel, and if you have any doubts and questions, you just WhatsApp me, or you can just ping me on the comment box. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video. And if you are new, kindly subscribe. Thank you.